Today I want to show you one of my favorite purchases of the year. This is the OXO Cold Brew Coffee Maker. We've had this coffee maker for about a week now, and I gotta say the cold brew that comes out of this machine is some of the best I've ever had. Setting it up is super easy. All you need to do is measure out about 3.5 cups of coffee, pour it in the machine, then add 40 ounces of water. By the way, this top tray here is called a rainmaker, and it's actually pretty cool. It ensures the water is being evenly distributed across your coffee grind. Then I like to let it sit and steep for about 16 hours. So today's the next day. We're going to take this glass beaker that came with the machine and put it right here underneath the coffee maker. Then hit this lever and let it fully drain. I find that it usually takes about 15 to 30 minutes to let it fully drain. Then you're left with this super concentrated batch of very delicious cold brew. Now I do have another tip for you guys. Make sure that you had the freshest coffee beans possible when you're making cold brew. And preferably it'd be good to grind them yourself. But if you're like me, you might not have a coffee grinder. But if you go to Starbucks and you buy their coffee, they'll actually grind it for you. But it's very important that you let them know that you want a coarse grind.